Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to sell your own notebook on Amazon KDP? In this video, I will show you step by step on how to design a notebook in Canva and upload it to Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP. Completely beginner friendly and free to start. First of all, visit kdp.amazon.com and create a free account. You will need this to publish your notebook later. You can use your existing Amazon account or create a new one. Just click Join KDP and follow the sign up process. Popular notebook sizes for KDP are 6 into 9 inches and 8.5 into 11 inches. We will use 6 into 9 for this tutorial. Go to Go to Canva and click create a design or click the plus icon. Then click custom size. Now enter 6 inches by 9 inches. With 300 dpi for print. Then click create new design. Let's design the interior pages. You can search lined paper in Canva or manually add the line using the line tool. So search for go to Elements tab, then search for lined paper. Now drag onto your canvas. Then adjust the paper. A minute. Use a free paper from here. That resize the paper. And copy the line of page and paste it into here. That's it. Download it as a PDF print ready for KDP. Keep it simple, 100 to 120 identical lined pages are standard. Now for the cover, go to Google and search KDP cover calculator and enter your trim size and page count and download the template. Upload the PNG to Canva and use it as a guide. Design your front, side and back cover within the pink margins. Add a title, colors, and maybe some graphics. Once done, hide or delete the template layer and export as PDF print. So from here, select the binding type, paperback, then interior type, black and white paper, inches, then interior type trim size, like 5 into 8 or discount 5, 50, and click and calculate dimensions, and that's it. Go back to the KDP and create paperback. Enter notebook title and author name can be pen name and optional description. Select your keywords and categories. Then upload your interior and cover files under the content section. Preview your notebook using the KDP preview tool to check for any errors. Now download the template, save it into your PC and extract the file. Now open the file and here it is. Next, set your pricing. Start with something like $6.99 or $7.99 for notebooks. It's a common price point. Choose all the marketplaces you want to sell in and click publish your paperback book. It usually takes 24 to 72 hours for approval. To stand out, niche down, try notebooks for students, teachers, writers, or moms. Use trendy themes, seasonal designs, or functional layouts like gratitude pages or planners. You can add line manually. Just search for line and choose line from here. Adjust the line and click duplicate and resize the line. So that's how you to create and publish your notebook on KDP using Canva. Give this video a like if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more Canva and passive income tutorials and comment below if you want a full guide on creating journals or planners next. Thanks for watching.